How to fix you are following too fast on TikTok app. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings and then you have to open the apps manager on your phone. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see now we have to wait a few seconds because it will start loading all the apps like this. Scroll down until you find TikTok and then click on it. Now or what you want to do on this page is click on this storage option or the internal storage. When you click on it, it will take you directly into this page. Now it will start computing the number of data that we have, and after it get finished, we have to click on clear data and clear all the data number, and then go back, click on this force stop option, and after you click on the force stop option, now click on the power usage details, click on the up launch, and then make sure that this option is enabled, and also the power consumption alert, make sure it's enabled. Now last thing you want to do is go back to the settings and then go to the wireless and networks and disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to try to change the network that you are connected to. Don't forget to like, subscribe.